Once upon a tide-swayed morning, in the cheerful village of Sunberry Cove, a curious young girl named Florence stood by the shore. She wore her favorite maroon dress, its ruffles catching the salty breeze like sails ready to fly. Florence loved adventures and colors, and today she was about to find both. Suddenly, a loud "Ahoy" echoed from the sea. A bright, colorful ship with rainbow-striped sails pulled into the harbor. A friendly pirate with a turquoise feathered hat waved from the deck. "Come aboard, young explorer," called Captain Coral, the kindest pirate on the 7 seas. "We're off to find the rainbow treasure, but only those who can spot all the colors can help." Florence's eyes lit up like the morning sun. A treasure hunt and a color quest? I'm in. Anchor stop number 1, the island of red rubies. As the ship swayed over sparkling waves, the crew, including Florence, Captain Coral, and a cheeky parrot named Skittles, arrived at an island glowing in red. "Only the one who can find something red can take the ruby key," Captain Coral announced. Florence pointed to a red crab scuttling near a ruby-red flower. "There," she exclaimed. The crab was guarding a shiny red key. "Great job," said Skittles. "Onward, to the next color." Anchor stop number 2, the golden banana bay. Here, the trees were bursting with bright yellow bananas, and golden sunflowers danced in the breeze. "To open the banana chest, find something yellow," Captain Coral said with a grin. Florence skipped over and found a big yellow shell glinting under the sun. Inside it was a golden compass with a yellow gem in the center. Anchor stop number 3, the Green Gator Swamp. Next stop, a swamp filled with hopping frogs and giggling turtles. "Find something green to make the vines part," shouted Skittles, doing a twirl. Florence giggled and pointed to a froggy wearing a green crown. He winked and leapt aside, revealing a mossy chest filled with emerald coins. Anchor stop number 4, the Blue Bubble Lagoon. Waves whooshed and splashed as dolphins leapt through shimmering blue bubbles. "Something blue will unlock the treasure map," said Coral, holding up a scroll. Florence spotted a blue starfish tucked in a rock crevice. She gently picked it up, and the scroll popped open, revealing a rainbow path to the final treasure. Anchor the Rainbow Cave. The crew sailed to a glowing cave lit with sparkling rainbow crystals. At the entrance stood a door with colorful locks, red, yellow, green, blue, and one final lock, maroon. Captain Coral turned to Florence. "Only your dress holds the final color, dear explorer." Florence twirled, her maroon dress sparkling in the light. The lock shimmered, clicked, and opened with a clang. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!